So people, look at my amaranth. Look, all of my amaranth has been nicely decorated, artistically worked on by some miserable little worms. Look at them. Look at them, you all. Look. Can you see? Look at this one. And look at this one right here. Now, in this video, I'm going to be mixing up a concoction. Jesus, Savior, pilot me. People don't look on them. Look. I'm going to mix up this concoction right now. And come and spray them and see how effective it's going to be. Yes, peeps, as I was saying, I'm going to mix up the salt water right now. Come out back and spray them to see if it's going to help. Only hope the little suckers are still going to be here. Yo, look at them. Look. No, man. No. And after I spray them, I think I'm going to redo this area, you know. I'm going to redo this area because I think this is the only area that I have that is not in containers. So I'm going to redo this area. But let me go and mix up that thing. Yes, man. Because I noticed I sowed a lot of cabbage seeds, and the only 2 cabbage seeds that I see right now is these underneath here. So probably they ate all the cabbage seeds. So let me hurry up and come back. So I'm going to be using a palmolive bottle. That's why it's always good to save some of these bottles because you never know when you're going to need them. And I'm going to be using the good old salt. See, I am using this container. So should in case any of the salt drops in here, I'm just going to fill a little bit of water and use a sprout. Pour it in the bottle. And I'm going to make it as strong as possible. Putting in a lot of salt. Because sometimes this salt is not strong, you know. Is this good amount of salt? Yikes, I think so. And on top of it, I'm going to be using the hot water. Hot water from the pipe. Or warm water. I'm going to fill the bottle because I don't know the amount I have to deal with out there. Alright, let me leave it at that. Put in a little bit more salt. I think that was enough, you know. Alright. Okay, we have a little bit in here. So let me pour it in here. Okay. Shake it up real well so the salt can dissolve in the water. Yikes! Okay. All right, let's head on outside with our concoction now to deal with those insects. Okay now people, so this plant, they're on the ground as well. So I'm spraying them off the plant. And even the plants that were eaten, spraying them too. But let me look for the ones that have worms on them right now. Oh, am I too late? All right, so this plant over here had some. Oh, here is one. Here's one. Oh, sorry, y'all couldn't see it. See this one down here? See it here? So I'm just gonna spray it with the salt water. I don't know if there's any on this one. Oh, here is one too. I don't know how I'm gonna see the results, but I'm gonna come back. You know what I should do? I think I should get the little suckers, you know, off the plant and put them somewhere where I can spray them. Like, yeah. This is better. And then I will know how fast this thing works. Let me see if I can grab. Come here. Oh, that one fell. Okay. Come here, you're not escaping at all. You're not escaping. Well, looks like you want to crawl off the cover, so let me drop on in a one cup. Yeah, this is even better. Okay. So now I will know if this... Hold on. I just put 2 in here and I put another one. That should make 3. Man. Guess I have to be more careful. Do I see any more? Oh. I don't see any more. Oh, here's one. They are so soft. Soft-bodied. Oh my God! There's a hole in the bottom of this thing. I need to get something without a hole. God have mercy, guys. Look how fast is something them crawl up to the top. Jesus. I was so eager to kill the little suckers. I didn't even notice there was holes in the bottom of that thing. Alright, I only have 3 of them in here. Let me see. Okay. I find... Come on, man. I should have a like a Burger King cup or something. Cover on the down in it. I have to find something to cover this up because they're gonna try to escape. Ay, ay, ay. I told you. They're trying to escape. Get down in there. So you mean to tell me that this water is not salt enough or strong enough? I'm going to let them stay in there for a few minutes to see what's going to happen. Here's another one. Ugh. But I have 3, 6, 7 in there so far. I'm going to go hunting for some more. Here is another one. Ugh. Transferring them to this cup, so it will take a longer time for them to crawl out. Come off my hand. Get off. So now I can use this to cover them down. Good. Alright, let's see how long it's gonna take to kill them. And this little one is trying to escape. Come here. When you're all dead, I'm gonna feed it to my parrot. And where do you think you're going, mister? Come here. Come here. Get in there. Get in there. You mess with the wrong garden girl. So guys, that little bottle of salt water was not enough to spray all of those little suckers in the ground. So I had to go and retrieve my spray bottle. I had it tucked away in a corner. Wasn't even using it. Looks like it was even dry rotting. Have a lot of stuff down in there. But I'm going to clean it out now and have it readily available. So next time I have a job like that, I can fill it with whatever I need to use. Yeah. Okay, so let me go and check on those little wormies now. I'm back, guys. And I have moved my 6 buckets because I'm going to be rearranging over there. Now let's take a look to see what's happening in here. Ooh, Mamma Mia. So they're all dead. They're all D-E-A-D dead. The proof is in the cup, you all. The proof is in the cup. The proof is in the cup. Wow. So going forward, y'all, if you have any little worms like these in your garden, now you know that you can mix the saltwater concoction and deal with them. I don't know how much of the little wormies are left over here, but as I said, I'm going to be digging out this space, so hopefully when you come back, this area is going to be all rearranged. All right, so that is going to be it for today's video. Short, sweet and spicy. Now you know how powerful salt water can be in the garden, so go ahead, try it out. I have never tried it on any other plants before. I am going to be doing research, however, to see what else I can actually do with the I am going to be doing a research to see what else I can actually do with the salt water in the garden. So until next time, my peeps, walk good, be safe, go start that garden one container at a time. And if you have any worms or insects, you can also go and try that saltwater concoction on them. I'm going to do some additional research in regards to using salt water in the garden. I think it do have some benefits. Yeah, so thanks again for coming along with me. So I want to say a very big thank you to all of my returning subscribers and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome on board. Welcome on board. Yeah, I really and truly appreciate every single one of you all for your support, for your comments, your thoughts, everything. Yep. So I don't know if it's going to rain now because it is looking so sunshiny over here today. All right, so see you in the next one. Bye-bye.